Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I am discussing about navigate animated login form by using HTML and CSS. First of all, we are going to create one folder in VS Code. Animated folder. Folder name is animated. Inside the folder, we are going to create two files. One is login.html. Another one is style.css. After creation of login, both the files login.html and style.css, now we are going to create a login.html boiler code. Boiler code means it's HTML5 structure. By using shift 1 and press enter, then it's going to create a structure of the HTML5 code. Inside the title, we are going to giving here animation login form by using HTML and CSS. Then we are going to give inside the body, we are providing required things such as body. Inside the body, we are providing div class, dividing the page. That means form container. Inside the class form container h2, these are the tags we are providing inside the body. Then it's going to look like login form. Login form means text password, then login button we are giving, then it will displaying as HTML form as text name password, then login the particular details of the page. Now we are going to create style.css. Inside the style.css, star means it is a selector. It is apply whole page of HTML page by using style.css. Body, inside the body means it is it apply to the entire thing, entire body which are there, entire the body tag of HTML. Properties are giving in HTML. Those attributes which we are giving applying to all the HTML properties. Then form container. Inside the form container, there are some attributes we are providing through style.css. Those are styles are all applying to this particular HTML element. So now we are going to run debug with or without debug. It's already debugged, so it displayed as blank page. So just we are now second time we will run without debugging. We will close all the windows related to it. Then it's going to displaying what it is, what we need. It will displaying in that way: login, password, username, password, then login. Through HTML and CSS styles, it's going to display in this way. And just we will save it once. And username, password, we are giving here username and password, modifying the our requirements. Now with the animation name, animation duration, animation iteration count, these are all the attributes which we are providing through CSS for modifying what for the need of our user. For the need of user, we are going to modifying all these values. Yes, we get into it. It's going to giving each and everything what we all need. It's styling in different ways. Now we are applying keyframes. Keyframes means it's giving the animation. For animation purpose, we are using at the rate keyframes and our required attribute name. Color change we are used here. Why? Because in CSS it's going to changing the color by using color change and at the rate keyframes animation purpose. 100%, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These all are the percentages we are giving and different colors in different percentage, and the output is looked in this way. That's it. And see once how it looks. All the page, login button, login hover means when the cursor is in the particular area it's going to appearing, that means styling is getting at that time. We are removing the cursor and style is not applying at that particular point of period of thing. If the cursor is there in the button, then it is going to displaying each and everything. Styling is appear. That's it for today.